It is considered the most deadly drink in the world, you are warned. Today there are thousands of products that are processed and contain chemicals, preservatives and dyes, which for our body is a big problem, because we are not prepared to digest such complex compounds. Our body takes a lot to do the digestion when we eat foods such as junk foods, soda and treats. To show it, a button, when we eat a salad we can ingest it in a maximum of 2 hours, while a hamburger takes up to 3 days inside us and in the end leaves residues that could not be consumed completely. So well, we can illustrate what happens when we eat junk food every day, or even worse several times a day. But in this case we will not focus on something more common and even more deadly, soft drinks. These products contain more than one factor that can affect us at health level, and here we will tell you what they are. You will not drink that soda after reading this information. We all know that Coca-Cola is a very harmful product. It is widely known that its composition is equivalent to more than 30 tablespoons of sugar per container, which is a serious problem for those who drink this excessively. Too much sugar and glucose in our body can be the trigger for problems such as hypertension, obesity, heart failure, arthritis, artery blockages and more. Which is no small thing to take into consideration. When we consume a can of cola we can experience the following effects. 1. At 10 minutes, you will have received all the sugar you need in a whole day, which is a big impact for the body. 2. 20 minutes, the liver converts the sugar into fat. 3. At 40 minutes, glucose enters the blood, which increases blood pressure and your pupils dilate. 4. At 45 minutes, you begin to produce dopamine and your heart rate is accelerated. I ask